Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at our weekly spot. We are back at the pub, and y'all know how we do. We're not gonna waste any time. Let's jump right into the best deals that you can do this week. All right, you guys, so this should be a quick video today. We got some quick deals, but we got some good stuff to get into, but you know how we do. We don't waste any time. So I want to point out some deodorant clearance first before we get started with the first deal. I noticed that we have a lot in this area. So the Mitchum right here is on clearance for $2. And I saw something else that was pretty good. The Arid sprays are on clearance as well. These Toms of Maine are $4.99, so that's about half price on these. We do have a $1 Ibotta rebate, and this Dove Advanced Care, if you want to grab one of these in the next deal that I'm about to show you, these are marked down to $4.29 for this invisible sheer cool right here, and then this one is $3.99 at my store, so that's not bad for the zero aluminum. We do have a $2 digital coupon on this one, so that'll make this $2.29. Now what I'm going to grab is the ones that are buy one get one for $4.59 at my location. Because I live in Georgia, so if you live in any state other than Florida, you can buy your items in odd numbers because each one will ring out half price on a BOGO sale. If you live in Florida, you want to buy them in even numbers because they ring out for actually buy one get one free. So I'm going to pick up 3 of them because we're going to use this 5 off of 3 digital coupon on 3. All right, you guys, so we got our 3 deodorants. These are going to total up to $6.88 after the buy one get one sale. They'll be $2.29 each. We're going to save $5 with that Unilever digital coupon. So at the register, we are going to pay out $1.88 for all 3. When we divide that up, that makes these just 62 cents each. A good way to get started. Another option for that Unilever digital coupon is picking up 2 of the Tresemme. These are priced as low as $5.49 in my store. And when you buy 2, you're going to get $4 off this week. If you were to pick up like 2 of these Tresemme hairsprays plus 1 of the deodorants in half BOGO, final cost after the sale and that 5 off of 3 would be just $4.27 for all 3 items. We have a nice moneymaker on the Sweet Lorenz cookies. You could grab, ooh, they got these little new Barbie ones if you want to get these. These are cute for Valentine's Day. I think I'm going to get the chocolate chunk. These are $4.50 after the 2 for $9 sale. So this is $4.50 on sale, but we have a $2 digital coupon that you want to clip that'll leave you to pay just $2.50 at the register. Then on the Merrifield app, we have a $2 rebate as well, and it does include this chocolate chunk variety, so that will bring it down to just 50 cents. But then I also have an offer on Fetch for $1.50 back as well. So that'll make this a $1 moneymaker. Yes, y'all. Next thing I'm grabbing is the International Delight Cold Foam. This is $4.89. And we have a $2 digital coupon on this as well. That's going to leave us to pay just $2.89. And then I'm also going to submit over for $1 on Ibotta. It's going to make final cost for this item $1.89. Centrum Vitamins along with the Emergency are 20% off this week. So if you need to grab some of the gummies, the multivitamins, these are $9.79, and then the Centrum Silver is on sale for $8.79. Now I was going to suggest a deal using both of these, getting both of these and using the 5 off of 15, but this one is not attaching to our 5 off of 15 for some reason. Only this one is. So you could just buy one of these and then use the $2.50 printable coupon that we have for these when you sign up on their website and submit over to Ibotta as well, because we have a $3 rebate there. It'll make final cost on this just $4.29. We also have a great price on the Dawn sponges this week if you need to grab these. I'm still pretty stocked up on the last deal that we did with these, so I'm not going to do this deal today, but this is also a stocking spree item. If you are tracking towards stocking spree, you can factor that in. You can maybe make this deal a little bit cheaper. Let me give you the... So what you want to do is pick up a total of $25 worth of these before the sale, and this deal is for if your store is on the old system still. So $25 worth for me would be 7 of them. I live in half BOGO, so that's okay. Now if you live in Florida, you would want to go up to 8 if that will make you get to the $25 mark. So 7 of these would be $25.13 before the buy one get one sale. We would only pay half of that with the sale, so that would bring us down to $12.56. Minus our 5 off of 25 P&G coupon, it would be $7.56, or just for 7 of these. And when we divide that up, that would make them $1.08 per sponge. All right, you guys, so I had to stop real quick and talk to y'all about this because this right here is a problem. So in front of the product at my store, someone left this photocopied internet printable coupon for these Springer Mountain Farms. I was about to tell you guys about this deal next. This is such a problem. You guys may remember a couple weeks ago when I came into my store and tried to use internet printable coupons, they cut up so bad and acted a fool. It was because of stuff like this. These internet printable coupons cannot be photocopied, and it says that on the coupon, it says biggest day, do not copy, but someone clearly photocopied these and then left some for other people to use the photocopies in front of the product. So it'll be to the point soon where my store will not accept printable coupons because they are not going to get paid for all of these copies coming into the store. Make sure that when you print these coupons that you are just printing off unique coupons that have a unique pin. So usually it's going to be like a limit of 2 for each one of these per device that you're using. But you do not want to use photocopies at your store because after a while that's going to make your store do what they did to me a couple weeks ago and not want to take these at all because they're not going to get paid for this. Now let's get into actual deal for these. So these are buy one get one for $4.99. I'm going to be using 2 printable coupons, and as you can see, mines have unique pins because I printed these myself from my computer and they're not photocopied. So this will save me $3 at the register, making my final cost for these just $1 a bag. This week we got a good deal on brawny paper towels. These are normally $14.79. I cannot believe a 6-pack of paper towels is $14.79, but they are buy one get one this week, so we're only going to pay half price. If you live in Florida, you can pick up 2. I'm going to go ahead and just pick up 1 of them. So the total for this after the buy one get one sale would be $7.39. I'm going to use a $1.50 printable coupon from their website. That's going to make final cost on this $5.89. Now this next deal, I'm not going to do it the cheapest way, but I will tell you the cheapest way to do it. Now the cheapest way to do it, I could grab one of these new boxes of cereal that we have $1 peelies on at a lot of stores. That would already make this a better deal because of that $1 coupon savings. I actually want to get some Rice Krispies because I want to make some Rice Krispie treats with all of those marshmallows that we got. If you guys remember those marshmallows that we got maybe like a month or 2 ago, I need to use those. So I'm going to go ahead and get some Rice Krispies, but do keep in mind that you might be able to get a cheaper cereal grabbing the ones with the peelies or the ones that qualify for the $1.50 off a 2 digital coupon. And then the second item that I'm going to grab for my deal is these Thomas bagels that are buy one get one this week. Now the cheapest option for this that I should get if I want to make it cheaper is to get the Activia yogurt. Now the Activia yogurt would be cheaper because the product itself is cheaper. It's on buy one get one, and because we also have an Ibotta rebate that I could submit back for. I'm getting the Thomas bagels just because we will use that faster than we will use more yogurt. We got a ton of yogurt. So these 2 items is going to cost me $5.64 at the register because I do not have any coupons for them, but I'm going to be submitting back for this rebate that we have, and you can find the information for this rebate on my blog, or you can find it on some of the boxes of cereal where it says save $10 on breakfast. When you buy a participating Kellogg's cereal and another participating product that includes things like Thomas, Activia, or Ziploc, you can earn $10 in coupons. So you should get 1 $5 coupon for a Kellogg's product and then 1 $5 coupon for one of those other brands. So the money is coming back not in actual money, it's coming back in $10 in coupon savings. So do keep that in mind for this deal. But since these are products that I actually need, this is worth submitting back for me. So this is going to be $5.64 after the buy one get one sale. Then minus that $10 in coupons, I should come out ahead about $4.36 in value. And you can read about all of the details on that program on my blog. It's on couponwithstar.com. I published it today. So go there and you can go through the details and see all of the products that are included. These Milton's gluten-free crackers are on clearance for $1.67 in my store. I do have a buy one get one digital coupon. I think that'll make 2 bags of these just $1.67. And it dawned on me as I was editing this that these actually might be a moneymaker because a lot of times these buy one get one coupons are programmed programmed for the full amount, so they'll be programmed for the $3.50. So if that $3.50 was to actually come off, it would make 2 bags of these completely free. So let me know if one of you guys actually try this. I didn't want to pay for these because it's not something that I would eat, but if they're going to be free, then I'll pick them up to donate. My store normally does not carry the Welch's Juiceful, so I did not even print out my coupons for this deal. But for this deal, you actually want to print out the $1 coupons.com coupons, and we also have $1 back on Ibotta on the Juicefuls. So they're buy one, get one for $3.99, and then we got the dollar coupon, so you'll pay 99 cents, $1 back from Ibotta, makes them completely free. Now, I'm going to come back and do this deal later, but right now I decided to grab one of these Fruitfuls. These look really good to me. I just wanted to try them because they are a new product. They are also buy one, get one for $2.49 after the buy one, get one sale because they're $4.99 BOGO. We have the $1 printable coupon that you can print off and then 75 cents back on Ibotta for these. So this box will be 75 cents after both of those offers. If you haven't already done your buy 5, get 5 Annie's rebate and you like the macaroni and cheese, this is a good deal to grab this week because they're buy one, get one. So picking up 5 of these, the total after the buy one, get one sale would be $6.72. We have a 50-cent off of 2 digital coupon that will leave us to pay $6.22 at the register. And then you can submit back for that $5 when you buy 5 Annie's rebate on participating products. That'll leave final cost at $1.22 for all 5 boxes. When we divide that up, that makes these just 24 cents per box. So scan over to Fetch Rewards because Annie's is a General Mills product. You'll definitely get some points there. This week, the family size Ritz products are buy one, get one for $5.99. I'm not going to grab this deal this week because it was a little bit better to me last week when the regular size boxes were on buy one, get one. But if you did not grab that deal, I posted it on my Instagram and Facebook and TikTok. So hopefully you're following me on one of those platforms as well. If you didn't grab that deal, you can grab this one on the bigger boxes that are $5.99. And hopefully the $1.50 rebate will stick around long enough for this to still be good tomorrow, because if so, that'll give you back $3 when you pick up 2 boxes. That'll already make them $1.50 each. And if you pick up quite a few boxes and buy over $7 worth, you can also check your Fetch Rewards to see if you have this offer as well for $1 back when you spend $7. So the next thing we're grabbing is this Marie Callender's deal. Now on this deal, you could grab the pot pies, you can grab the healthy choice meals, you can grab whichever item that you like that is included in this spend 30 save 10 coupon. I have enough of the pot pies from the deals that we've done over the past couple weeks, so I'm going to grab some of the Marie Callender meals today. These are buy one, get one for $4.39. You want to pick up a total of however many is going to get you to $30 before the sale. In my area, since these are priced at $4.39, that's going to be $30.52. We're only going to pay half of that since they're buy one, get one. So at the register, that's going to be $15.26. Minus the 10 off of 30 coupon, it's going to be $5.26 for all 7 meals. When we divide that up, these will be just 75 cents a piece. I'm a little salty right now because my digital coupon that I had for Haagen-Dazs is missing, but I'm still going to grab some Haagen-Dazs this week because this is my favorite ice cream. These are buy one, get one for $5.49. And then you either are going to have $1 off of 2 Ibotta rebate, or you'll have 75 cents back. I have one of each. And we also have rebates for the bars as well, so get whichever you prefer. I think that I'm going to pick up some of the pints that are $5.49. If you have that 75 cents off of each one on Ibotta, it'll make them $1.99 each. All right, you guys, so this is everything that I picked up from the pub this week. This was super easy. My subtotal was $34.12 after all of my coupons came off. I got back $2.22 from Merrifield, $3.25 back from Ibotta, and then $1.50 from Fetch Rewards. And then, of course, we're submitting back for the $10 in coupons as well. That'll make net cost for this basket just $17.15 this week. So good week at the pub. Let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.